I'm going to give you a quick introduction to mLearning Sync, the offline-online synchronization software for mobile learning. Now, mLearning Sync has two parts. There is the mobile sync server, shown here in this diagram on the right, representing a web application where you create users and assign courses to users. And then there is the native app that is downloaded and installed on the Apple iOS or Google Android mobile device. The learner then logs into the app and downloads courses to the native app, where they take the course offline, and then once they are back online, they can synchronize back with the mobile synchronization server, which tracks all of their learning information and data, such as their score, and this gets synced back to the server so that you can run reports. So let's take a look first at the apps for the mobile devices. The native app looks something like this, and this is shown on a smartphone, but it also works on tablets as well. The learner logs in. They're then taken to the My Courses page, where it synchronizes and tells them how many courses are in progress or not started or completed. Then they can go in and download courses and launch those courses. When they launch the course, it plays full screen, and they can go through all the interactions and videos and what have you. And then it shows the course as completed if they've completed it, down in the completed section. They can go in and look at the scores and so on. There are a few settings as well in the settings area. Now let's take a look at the back-end synchronization server side of things. This is where management assigns courses, runs reports, and so on. This is just a screenshot of the login screen where you can log in and do things like run reports. In this case, we could get a course enrollment report, for example, for a specific learner, and see whether they've completed it or not. You can see down near the bottom there's a completed course there. So that's a brief overview of mLearning Sync. It works with mobile learning courses built with rapid intake, and it will work with mobile-only courses or joint package courses, meaning courses designed for desktop deployment in Flash and mobile deployment in HTML5. mLearning Sync can also synchronize with the learning management system. This is done through professional services. And you won't be testing this during the beta test, but I wanted to let you know that that is available. It can be run completely separate from your LMS, or it can be integrated in with your LMS so that everything is synchronized back to your learning management system. Thank you, and enjoy the beta test of mLearning Sync.